YouTube, it's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I'm really tired right now. I'm a little out of breath. I just finished the workout that I'm about to show you guys. It's a total body workout that you don't need any equipment for. You could do it at home. You could do it on the fly if you're traveling, whatever you're doing. You don't need equipment for it. And it's like under 10 minutes. Max is 10 minutes depending on how many breaks you decide to take. It's going to be up to you how many breaks you decide to take. All right, but you don't need any time to do these workouts. Okay, if you don't have 10 minutes to do a workout, I need you to like reevaluate your entire life. Please reevaluate it, prioritize. Come on. So like I said, these workouts, it's only 20 seconds for each part of the workout. You're going to take 10-second breaks either in between each workout or after 2 workouts back to back. I would say 3 depending on how much endurance you have. Right now I might need a 10-second break in between each one because I just finished a round and I am exhausted. But it's totally up to you guys, okay? All I ask is that you do each part of this entire workout and that you do each part of the workout for 20 seconds long. So make sure that you have your timer ready, whether it's a regular timer on your phone, whatever, just so you can keep track of time. You're also only going to need a chair or like a couch or something in order to do tricep dips so that your front part, your top half of your body is elevated and the bottom is not, okay? Before we get started, don't forget, as soon as I get to 5,000, that's it, just 5,000 subscribers, I will start posting my gym workout routines. And y'all know how I feel about recording at the gym. I don't like it. I'm uncomfortable. But I'm going to do it for you guys. Just help me get to 5,000 subscribers. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that other social media stuff. Yeah, share it. Okay, and subscribe, of course. All right, let's get right into it. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, ladies, first things first, you're gonna get that heart rate up. You're gonna do 20 seconds of high knees. Knees to chest, ladies, knees to chest. Next, you're going to get down and dirty, get on the floor, 20 seconds of push-ups. You'll see here that I start to get a little tired, and that's okay. You're going to get into what I hate to call female push-ups. You're going to put your knees to the floor and keep pressing down the same way. Alright, in case your heart rate went back down, we are going to do in and out squat jumps. This is not only going to work out that lower half of your body, that booty, everybody want a tight booty, but you're going to get your heart rate up, burn those calories all in the same. Find you a high enough chair or your couch and start with those tricep dips. Nobody wants those wings, ladies. Time for my personal favorite. Nah, I'm dead lying. I hate these. Gonna do 20 seconds of burpees. Come on, get that heart rate up. I know, hate me later. Alright, now you're gonna do a 20-second plank. This isn't the perfect plank. Again, I'm not a personal trainer. Try to get that booty just a little bit lower. Eventually you're gonna work up to try and do a minute's worth of plank. Just not today. Alright, and now we got 20 seconds of butt kicks. You're literally gonna kick yourself in the ass. Now you're going to get back on the floor and you're going to do a plank. This time you're going to do it on your side. Don't forget to do both sides, okay? And if you need to hold yourself up with one hand, that's perfectly fine. Now we're going to jump into mountain climbers. You're just going to get in the same position as a plank and kick those legs up towards your chest. Okay, I have no idea what this move is called. It's for your abs. I call it the look my no hands or feet ab crunch. Okay, I really have no idea what this is called. I call it the hustle. I don't know. Football players do it. I don't know. But 20 seconds. Alright, we're going to get back into that lower half with some squat pulses. You're going to do 20 seconds of this. Eventually, again, trying to work your way up to a minute. Just not today. And this doesn't need any explanation. We're doing good old-fashioned jumping jacks. 20 seconds, ladies. And now it's time to be proper. We're finishing up with some curtsy lunges.
Alright, I'm exhausted. I don't know about you guys. That was my second round. I don't think I could do a third. But if you did the full 20 seconds for each one, it should take you less than 10 minutes. For the first round, I'm going to ask you guys to do those workouts together. So 2 workouts and then a 10-second break. If you're up for a second round and then a third round, take those 10-second breaks in between each one. You deserve it, girl. Anyway, before my battery dies, because I think I have like negative 18% left in my battery, just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, okay? If you have any ideas, anything that you would like to see, comment that below and I'll be sure to try to get to that video as soon as I can. In the meantime, keep doing your workouts. Get it right, get it tight, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll see you guys for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.